Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a transaction limit that you have set on the NC Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device, and after entering your PIN code, you will end up within your wallets page. From here, if you wish to remove a transaction limit that you have set, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. You will then see the limits button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now underneath the active limits section, you will see all of your currencies within which you have set a transaction limit. Just tap on the currency within which you would like to remove this limit. And now you will see the limit that you have set. Simply tap on the disable button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to disable this limit. Tap on the yes button and now your limit will be scheduled for removal. If you tap on this once again, you will see that within 9 hours, it will be disabled. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove a transaction limit on the NC Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.